Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Serena, and this is your corner of the internet for all things weird, spooky, and unexplained. We dive into chilling encounters, deep dive mysteries, and stories that'll make you question what's real and what's really out there. So if you're into creepy content that'll keep you up at night, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you never miss a drop of darkness. Now grab a snack, turn down the lights, and get comfortable, because I'm about to tell you about a night I'll never forget. I was 22, fresh out of college, broke, desperate, and stuck in a crappy warehouse job in the middle of nowhere. The building sat 30 minutes from town, surrounded by thick woods and silence. The kind of place where if something did happen, no one would hear you scream. I worked the night shift, more money, less people. Easy choice. Most nights were dead. Just me and a few other workers, all of us counting the minutes till we could go home. The smell of mildew and plastic was something I stopped noticing after week 2. But this night was different. I was at my station zoning out doing my thing. When I heard it, a low rhythmic thud. First I thought pipes? HVAC? Just the usual noises an old building makes. But then it stopped. Total silence. Like the whole warehouse was holding its breath. A few minutes later the sound came back. Louder, closer. Thud, thud, thud. Now I'm thinking raccoon? Rat? Something got into the boxes maybe, so I follow the sound. It's coming from aisle 12, the far end. The place no one really goes unless they have to. The air there felt heavier. Colder. Wrong. The thudding kept getting louder as I walked down the aisle. I reached the end, found the box where it sounded like something was moving. I opened it, and there was nothing, just empty cardboard. I stood there confused, feeling kind of dumb honestly, and then, thud, right behind me. I spun around, heart in my throat, but no one was there. No animal. No footsteps. Just row after row of still, silent boxes. I tried to brush it off, headed back to the security desk, but that's when it followed me, not just behind me anymore, all around me. The air turned thick, suffocating, like the building itself was breathing me in. I locked the door to the security room, sat down, and tried to convince myself it was just nerves. And then, it started again. Thud. Scrape. Thud. Something dragging across the floor. Getting closer. I didn't move. Didn't breathe. The doorknob jiggled. And then, scrape. Like nails dragging across wood. The door handle shook again. I knew I had to get out. But when I opened that door, the warehouse didn't feel the same. The walls were creaking. The floor shifted beneath me, like the whole place was alive, and didn't want to let me go. Every step I took I could feel it. Behind me. Chasing me without moving. Waiting. Somehow I made it outside. But even now I still hear it sometimes. The thudding, the scraping, in the walls, in the silence, like it's still following me. I never went back to that warehouse, and I never will. To this day I don't know what it was, but if you ever hear something like that, don't go looking. Don't check the box. Don't open the door. Just get out. So what do you think? Was it something paranormal? A spirit? Something worse? Drop your theories in the comments. I read them all. And if you've had your own weird experience, tell me about it. Who knows? Maybe I'll feature your story in a future episode. If this one gave you chills, go ahead and hit that like button, and make sure you subscribe for more stories like this one. I've got a lot more strange encounters to share. Stay curious, stay safe, and whatever you do, don't listen to the thuds.